Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up a Ford F-150. Before you begin, ensure your truck is on a flat, stable surface. Always engage the parking brake and use wheel chocks on the tires that will remain on the ground. You'll need a reliable hydraulic jack, at least 2 robust jack stands, and a protective rubber pad for the jack. If you plan to remove a wheel, remember to loosen its lug nuts by about 1/2 turn before lifting the vehicle. To lift the front of your F-150, locate the sturdy frame rail directly behind the front wheel, near the door level. This is a strong, safe point for your jack. Carefully position your hydraulic jack with a rubber pad here, then slowly begin to raise the truck. Once the vehicle reaches your desired height, immediately place 2 jack stands under the frame rails, ensuring they are firmly seated before gently lowering the truck onto them. For the rear of your F-150, you have a couple of safe options. You can place your jack directly under the rear axle, on either side, which is great for lifting one wheel. Alternatively, for lifting the entire rear end simultaneously, position a floor jack under the center of the rear differential housing. Once lifted, always place your jack stands securely under the rear axle tubes or the frame rails before slowly lowering the truck onto them. Once your work is complete, it's time to safely lower your F-150. First, reposition your hydraulic jack and lift the vehicle just enough to take the weight off the jack stands. Carefully remove both jack stands from under the truck. Then, slowly and steadily lower your F-150 completely to the ground. If you removed any wheels, remember to fully tighten the lug nuts to 150 foot-pounds using a torque wrench for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.